Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable inputs. And I'm sure everyone must have got some or the other inputs to help and enhance your English communication. The thing is, sir has prepared the battlefield, and now the battlefield is open for us all to go and win over the fear of English speaking. Sir has not touched actually technicality, but psychologically how to overcome fears and what causes us to not to speak English and stick to our local language. That points sir has really covered very well. So I really thank you, sir, for your valuable inputs, and it will definitely help us a lot. And of course, I sincerely thank all the faculties and students of IPSA, because we have crossed 250 participants, and the limit was reached, so we couldn't add remaining participants. So sorry for those who were not able to join us. And this was really overwhelming response for all of us, and we really look forward to such lovely sessions with sir as well, and for your responses as well. Of course, I thank HOD of School of Computers. I thank Rajiv Shukla sir, I thank Chaudhary ma'am, I thank Ruchi ma'am, and all the faculties over there which I am not able to name right now. But I really thank you for your valuable time and the response your department has given us for this session. I really thank, and last but not the least, Achal sir, for providing this opportunity to us, and to continue with this lovely session. And of course, Veena ma'am, to get engaged and link all the dots together. So lovely session and lovely time with you all. Thank you so much. And just 2 minutes, I need more of your time, because we have some upcoming really interesting session. Just a few introduction, preview of the session, Vasundhara ma'am will give you all. So just 2 minutes, I'm requesting everyone to stay online. Just 2 minutes.
We are happy that we are receiving this response, so it gives us more strength and hopefulness to conduct more such sessions in the future. And now we are confident that we can do it, given that we all crossed the limit of the participants today. So I have discussed it in some of the classes that I take, and even Namrata ma'am and Veena ma'am have also done this, that the Department of Training and Development is going to bring an English speaking course for all of you. Right? We have discussed it already. So in the time of a week or two, we are going to float a registration form for the same. Alright, so there is this classic Indian daily newspaper that we have, The Hindu. They have created an English speaking course called STEP. Alright, so in this course they cover your speaking, listening, reading and writing of English. And all of this is customized as per your requirement, as per your ability. So if you speak English on a very basic level, the course will modify itself according to your responses that you are going to give during the test. Alright, so I want the maximum participation from all the students, all the departments, and I want the HODs also to push forward for this particular certification course, because it is a certification course and the students can use it in their resumes, and it is really going to help you a lot when you apply for jobs, because this will carry the name of this newspaper, The Hindu, as well as an accountability from our institute as well. Alright, so very soon we will come up with you with the registration forms. So be in touch with us regarding that, and if you have any doubts, I think most of you already have our email addresses, and we are connected on WhatsApp groups as well. So if you have any doubts, you can ask us anytime. Okay? So this was a wonderful session. I thank all of you. I thank Veena ma'am for arranging this entire session, Ranjan Sir, Namrata ma'am, the entire infrastructure provided by the language lab, and Mr. Sandeep Gupta, who actually coordinated for the entire infrastructure and was there full time with us. So thanks a lot all of you, and now you're actually free to go. Thank you so much.